So I spent a lot on my Sigma brushes. What do I think about them? Do I like them or... Well, I feel this brush is a lot more precise than my Pro Art brush. That is good, but इसमें precision ज़्यादा है. So now comes the product which I'm very excited about. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the makeup I've come up with for New Year's, for all the parties you'll be attending, and I wanted to do something different. It's a halo smoky eye with purple tones. I think it is so trending. अगर आप ये makeup करते हैं तो बहुत ही edgy लगेगा, different लगेगा, and honestly ये इतना difficult नहीं है. Okay. Also in this video I've tried a lot of new products. So अगर आप पुराने products देख के बोर हो गए हैं, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे new products हैं. You want to check out the video for that, and I'll be sharing what are my thoughts on it. So there's a lot of information packed in for you guys. Let's get started. Of course, we're going to start this video with some moisturization, and my favorite primer these days for moisturizing is this one. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Primer, and अगर आपकी dry skin है, you will love this primer because ये बहुत ही rich texture है. It is so hydrating on the skin. I absolutely love this, and अगर आपने मेरे previous videos देखे हैं, you might have seen me using this a lot, and I will definitely not use this for summers because ये बहुत ही heavy texture, as you can see. Now since I've increased the light brightness, you can really see it is very thick, but it is great for winter months, and I find it so nourishing for my skin. The next product is the MAC Strobe Cream. This was a gift by my bhabhi, and I really like this. I've been using this. This is in the shade Pinklite. I had my eyes on the golden light one, but the pink light is also good. Once you apply it, you sort of blend it on the back of your hand, and then you do this basically. Okay, and it looks great. So what I'm doing is मैं इसे high points पे लगा रही हूँ, not the lower points. Contour is a lower point. We don't want it to be exaggerated. So जहाँ पे light hit करेगी, center of the forehead. Okay, and जैसे अब इसमें एक reflex आ रहा है, so you're just going to apply it and blend it. So it's going to give you some glow underneath the foundation. And ऐसा glow बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Winters में हमें ऐसा glow चाहिए because your skin is going to get dry. So you will need something that is going to give you a glow, and it is going to look plump and youthful. You should definitely go for products जो moisturizing है, hydrating है, and give you a lot of shine on the face. But yeah, matte finish has its benefits too. If you are too oily, इतना ज़्यादा हाइड्रेटिंग मत करना because आपके स्किन पे ऑलरेडी स्वेट आ जाता है. So makeup is like that. You have to see the skin and also the weather around. So look at that glow with the base जो मैंने लगाया है उसके ऊपर Strobe Cream. It is very very glowy and hydrating, which is amazing. Okay guys, so this is the Sigma kit I got, and look at the packaging. It's so amazing. These are the 7 brushes जो best sellers है. I'll put the link down below. This kit is quite pricey, but I got it at a very good price. मुझे नहीं लगता आपको ऐसा किट खरीदने की बहुत ज़रूरत है, to be very honest, because I think we have some great brushes by Pac and Pro Art. I have a video linked up here, and you know I've done some amazing makeup with those brushes. You don't have to buy these brushes, but मेरे कुछ brushes पुराने हो गए थे. I wanted to try out new brushes, and I always wanted to buy Sigma brushes. For some reason it was available on a good deal, and I was even eyeing the Morphe brush kit, but it was out of stock. So I was like, Sigma is coming my way, that means. So I got it, okay? And I'll let you know in this video. I'm gonna try it with you guys because this is special. You guys are special. So मैं इसे आपके साथ try करूँगी, and I'll let you know what I feel about it. So now I'm using the foundation, which is the Everyday Foundation by Miss Claire. I have talked about this foundation a lot, and I still can't reach out to other foundations because I am absolutely loving this foundation, especially for this weather. जब स्किन बहुत ड्राई होती है, ये मेरी स्किन ड्राई आउट नहीं करती है, and that is why I love using this one. Of course I love other foundations that I have, like from Smashbox and Estee Lauder, but मैं गर्मियों में ज़्यादा यूज़ करूँगी, so I'm loving this one. And it's time to use the new brush, which is the Sigma brush. Guys, you want to get a first impression, and oh my god, this brush feels so good on the skin. As a first impression, I feel this brush blends the product very quick, and it feels so good on the skin. There has to be a reason. This is the F80, one of their best sellers. I've heard so much about this brush, and this is quite a favorite all over the world. I understand why. Now it's time for the eyebrows, and as I always say, eyebrows को eyeshadow से पहले करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You get an idea where you need to place your eyeshadow, so always do your eyebrows before your eyeshadow. So once the eyebrows are done, I'm actually using some concealer on the eyelid. So now comes the product which I'm very excited about. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I had so many options in mind when it came to eyeshadow palettes. I even wanted to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, but this color scheme, I just could not ignore it. I thought I'm getting full value for money when it's on a sale, of course. Huda palettes you should always get when it's on a sale. So I'm going to use it with you guys. I have used this palette a little bit previously, but bahut zyada nahi. The first shade I'm going to use is called Off Balance. It's a beautiful cool toned pink. And I'm using a brush by ProArt. This is the PE22. Next, I'm going to pick up this color which is called Hot Mess. It's a gorgeous color. And अब मैं एक Sigma का brush use कर रही हूँ. This is the E34. ये एक slanted brush है. It's a very nice, precise brush. I'm going to pick up the color and place it on the outer corner. So हाँ, हमने इस eyeshadow को इस तरह से पैक कर दिया. Now you have some excess eyeshadow here, but we are going to blend it, right? So take some more eyeshadow on a precise brush and हम इसे inner corner पे पैक करेंगे. The same shadow, Hot Mess, like this. So inner corner से we're gonna pack it till first half of the eyeball, and we leave some space in the center. And you might have to go with 2 or 3 layers, which is completely fine. अगर आप एक बार में color pack करेंगे, there will be some fallout, but these shadows are very good. I don't see any fallout with these shadows, which is great. And आपने product को ऐसे spread नहीं करना, you just have to pack it like that. So once this is done, I'm taking another brush by Sigma, which is the E38. And on this, I'm going to take this gorgeous color, which is called Libra. A shout out to all Libras because मेरी Libra से बनती है. And by the way, I'm a Leo, if you guys didn't know. Comment down below what is your sun sign. I'm very curious to know what is the sun sign of my followers. So comment. So it's a beautiful lilac color. Tap off the excess and we're going to blend it on the crease. Again, I have to give a first impression. I think ये brush बहुत ही precise है when it comes to blending. I don't want to touch what I've done here, and it is helping me with that. I don't have to worry about that. इसको अच्छे से diffuse करने के लिए make sure keep blending. So now I'm going to take this color, this gorgeous color. Have a look. It's called Nebula. It's a beautiful shimmer. And इसको हम कहाँ लगाएंगे अब? Okay, so I'm going to take this color on my finger. So I'm going to put it just on the center of the eye. This is the time to use your shimmers जिनको आपको use करते डर लगता है. Please use them right now for the party season. It does look amazing. And I'm just going to apply it like that. Same thing I'm going to do on the other eye, and आप देख रहे होंगे जैसे मैं इसे apply करती हूँ. It looks quite silver, but once I apply it, it gives me a duochrome effect. How gorgeous! Now this doesn't look that blended, but we're going to blend it. But उससे पहले, before we move the colors, I'm going to use this beautiful color which is called Vortex. It's the darkest color in the palette. I'm going to take very little of it on the same Sigma E34 brush and apply it on the outer corner. I'm just trying to darken the outer corner. Beautiful purple, and these colors go very well with maroon. Again, I'm using the precise Sigma E38 brush because हमें यहाँ पे बहुत ही precise blending चाहिए. I don't want to touch what I've done here. Again, I'm using the color Libra, very little, and I'm going to blend the crease. Now I'm going to use this brush, which is the E21, and the shadow I'll be taking is called Cosmic. This is one of the lightest colors in the palette, and ये एक बहुत ही beautiful pinkish shadow है. I'm going to highlight the inner corner with this color. And then I'm using the same color on my brow bone, and ये बहुत ही subtle highlight है, just beautiful. So before the lashes, I'm going to apply this mascara which I absolutely like. This is L'Oreal Superstar Mascara. So I'll apply my eyelashes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so my lashes are on and you can see it has upped the glam quotient. So you can add lashes and you can even add mascara. If you have long lashes, you probably don't need false lashes, okay? But I do. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeliner. इससे क्या होता है हमारी lashes और ज़्यादा natural लगती हैं. But I'm just going to apply very thin. Like I don't want a liner because this is the thing I want to pop. So after this very thin line, it's time for the kajal. So I'm applying this kajal by Amway, the Attitude Kajal. This is super black. Looks very, very intense. So as you can see, I'm applying it on my waterline. So you can see how black this kajal is, and I'm also going to take it on my lower lash line. Just a little bit. And इसके बाद I'm going to take the smudging brush by pack and मैं इसे smudge करूँगी. Just very little. Using Sigma's E21, I'm going to mix Hot Mess and Vortex, both the colors together. I'm going to use it underneath the lash line. इसे मैं इस काजल के साथ mix up करूँगी. Now it's time for the concealer, and there is no new concealer guys because I absolutely love this concealer by Smashbox. Warm Medium Golden is my shade. मुझे इससे अच्छा concealer अभी तक नहीं मिला. I love the one by PAC. I really like LA Girl concealer. And I'm going to use this brush by Sigma, which is the P88. That was very quick. I've never had a brush जो इतनी जल्दी concealer को blend कर दे. This is amazing. I'm going to set my face with powder और बहुत ज़्यादा powder नहीं use करना है, only on the concealer. So I'm using the Nykaa compact powder in the shade Beige, and I'm using this brush by Sigma. It's the F64. It's angled, as you can see. Very interesting looking brush. I'm so amazed. The season is very, very dry, so very little powder is required. अगर आप mask पहनने वाले, then you should powder this area really well. But I have a video in which I talk about 9 different ways of wearing a lip color जो mask पे transfer नहीं होती है. So I'll link that video up here, and you must watch it guys because that is very effective when it comes to wearing your lip colors. So it's time for the contour. Now I'm using this new contour, the Bahama bronzer. It's very popular. I got the mini, but I think we have a lot of product in here. I'm going to take it on my faces brush and contour my face. Look at that. Now it's time for the blush. I'm using this new bite-sized face duo. It has a blush and it also has a highlight. This is by elfcosmetics. I have a short video which talks about how to apply your blush. So I'll link it up here. You can watch that video and it's very informative. और अब हम इसी के साथ जो highlighter है, look at that color. It has a golden flecks in it, but its undertone is rose gold, which is beautiful. So I want to try something different because I think the most highlighters I have सब golden और champagne ज़्यादा है. Okay, I do like the effect. Okay, a little bit here on the cupid's bow. Chin. My neck is quite high. It's winter, but if you're showing your collarbones, you can apply a little bit of highlighter on your collarbones. So it's time for the lips, but first I'm going to use this lip liner by kaybyauty in the shade High Impact. मैं lip liner को starting में use कर रही हूँ, but if you find it difficult, you can always use your lip liner after your lipstick. So I'm applying this as a base. You can see the color is beautiful. It already looks like a beautiful lipstick. But I'm going to use this color by Nykaa. I have reviewed this lipstick, so the video is here. You can watch the complete video. There's another shade, Girl Gang, which I've swatched in that video, so you should not miss that video. So here comes Soul Sister by Nykaa. I think it's a very beautiful nude for my complexion. It's a nude for my complexion, but if you're lighter, it's a bold color. अब ये gloss की तरह लग रहा है, but this is going to dry. This is going to become matte, actually super matte. You can see it's becoming matte, but it's beautiful. So that's it, guys. Makeup is done. This is what I have come up with for your New Year's. Anybody that you'll be attending, if you do this, you're really going to stand out. This is something new that I've tried. It's a halo smoky eye with purple, and this glitter is so gorgeous. मैंने ऐसा glitter काफी time से नहीं try किया, and I always wanted to try something like this. What I feel about the products, I love the Mercury Retrograde palette first of all. I'm so excited to use this palette in future, especially for summers, but you also have some winter colors because this is winter season. I absolutely love the blush and the highlight. What do you think about it? This Elf Cosmetic blush. I think it's a very good investment. मुझे ऐसे blush, highlight, contour palettes बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं जिसमें you get more than one product. I mean, I'm like that, you know, because how amazing is that? Even the contour, the Bahama contour is so soft on the skin, so easy to blend. It's not chalky or powdery. The lip color, I think it totally goes with this. You can even try like a bold lip with this if you can carry it. I have kept it more wearable for everyone. So मैंने एक nude lip लगाया है. Nude but a colorful nude. It's not very light also. And my favorite has to be this palette of Sigma brushes. I am in love. I mean, there's only one time I've used it, but these brushes are so intelligently designed, I have to say the word, and the finish of them is beautiful. I know it's a little pricey, but I have been in makeup from the past 6-7 years. I think I've waited enough and I deserved something like that. Although इनको खरीदना mandatory नहीं है. We have some amazing brushes by a lot of brands. I'll put the video links down below and also the links to those brushes. If you're on a budget, you don't have to buy expensive brushes. Let me say that, okay? But if you can, don't miss this. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. It's time for this week's comment shout out, and this week's shout out goes to Indra Pachania. The comment is right here. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. And if you want to be a part of the next week's shout out, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below with the hashtag Ragini Daman. So what are you waiting for? Just comment down below, and who knows, you'll be the part of the next week shout out. So if you like this video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It will really help my channel. Also subscribe to my channel. The red button is down below, and you can also click the bell next to it अगर आपको notifications चाहिए. And comment down below what you feel about the video. Please do follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description. Free tips, mini reviews, and so much more information on my Instagram. You have to follow me there. Watch these videos that are appearing on your screen. So many playlists. There's a lot of content on my channel about reviews, makeup tutorials, fashion videos, hair videos. You can watch them here. And I would love it if you would stay tuned and come back on this channel. So I'll see you in my next video. And before that, I want to tell you something. That you, my dear, are beautiful. Always believe that. I love you guys so much. Wishing you a very happy new year 2022. I hope it brings a lot of positivity and happiness into your lives. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.